foodies, it is Food Truck Friday, and today we will be checking out Dad's Ribs, Mama Tacos. I guess the concept is Daddy cooks the ribs, Mama cooks the tacos. Anywho, I called ahead so that I wouldn't have to wait outside in the hot Arizona sun. So by the time I got out there, my food was fully prepared. They were very nice and personable. I ordered the platter. The platter cost about 16 like 16.50 with tax actually. So, I got home and I end up getting one rib. It was, you know, it was one rib. It was tender and everything, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. For my sides, I got macaroni and cheese and potato salad with the rib. They came together. You can order those together. Then on the taco side, I got a steak taco and a mini quesadilla type thingy. So let's get into this mac and cheese. Y'all know it pissed me off. It was just sitting in a bed of grease. So yeah, that was not gonna cut it. The potato salad, it was safe. It wasn't nothing to write home about. It was just safe potato salad. The actual star of the plate was the ribs. The sauce was good. The ribs were really tender. They were falling off the bone. I'm kind of disappointed because I would have liked to had more, seeing as that that was the best thing the whole plate had going for it. I have to admit the tacos were pretty good. They were tasty. If you're in the area, give them a try. I give them about a 7 out of 10.